Hello friends, this is Jaik. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll give a weekend update of my portfolio. What you see on the screen, it shows minus 2.69%. So I don't know what's up with Robinhood. Almost everyone in the market was profitable today. I was as well. So if you look at my positions here, you can everything is green, everything was up. So my portfolio is up 2.69% for today, and in dollar terms, this is what you see. It's not minus 1,719. It's plus 1,719. And one quick thing. I'll show you different things that you see on the screen right now. All right. One thing that I did today, which is also mentioned in another video, you can just look up the options video, where I am slowly rolling my JP Morgan options. So this week I was supposed to roll it into a $94.50 call, but the price was not there. So I had to just roll in for the same strike price for the next week. Hopefully I'll be able to roll further out into the money next week for 94.5 or $95. So that's what you see. Your order for 3 JP Morgan option strategies executed at $0 each for a total of $0. What it means is closed my 94 strike calls for today with 5, and sold 94 strike calls for the next week. $0 trade, that's why I did it. Otherwise I would have let this one go. Also, I executed my Microsoft strategy, so I sold another $185 strike price option for Microsoft. The market was super up today, which I'm sure makes everyone happy. So overall, I'm 20% up in this account, $10,000, and for this year, I am 17% up. $10,000. So it's 3 months, 1 year, everything is kind of same for me because my account is not that old. It's maybe only opened 2 years before September 7, 2018. And for the month, 20%. For the week, 7% up, and 2.69% up today. So where did I make the major gains? Of course, I said sold the options for Microsoft at 185, so some of that gain is limited. Same with JP Morgan, but I don't have any call options on any of the others. So you see, it's through and through there is a lot of gains for almost all the positions that I hold in this portfolio. Of course, the bond and IAU is slightly lower because they are kind of counter to the stock market, so it is what you would expect. But BLV did climb back a little bit towards the end of the trading session, and if you look through the account, everything is green, 4%. So almost any idiot, which includes me, could have made money today. Just had to be invested in the market, right? So that is one thing I have to tell you. I mean, these kind of gains, you'd see a lot of video about people making crazy gains today. So for example, people who buy option, you'd see them making crazy gains, right? Well, on top of it, they would sell a course. Look at my profit. I made 100,000 profit today. But these are once in a while, once in a year opportunities that you get. Anyone can get it right? So for example, if you bought options, anyone can buy options, and it would have been a super profitable week for them. The deal with all this gurus on internet is they show you selective trades, and of course they'll show you the profits from today, but they would not show you the losses which they made in the previous week or next week. Also, another thing that you'll see, especially from the day trading gurus, is you'll always see them trading with a specific amount of money, right? Yeah, I will limit my trading to $25,000, or I will limit it to $100,000. I mean, like, if you are so good with your trading, why don't you just scale it? Why they limit their trading to 25,000 or 50,000 or 100,000? That's the income they get from YouTube. So they would blow up their account time to time, and they would inject money which they get from all this selling all these courses back into the account. Their main income is selling the courses, not making money from their portfolio, right? Portfolio is just something to make content. It's just something to show, right? Please don't follow this bullshit day trading gurus. It's not worth your time, guys. You'll just lose your money. And trust me on this, if they're making the money they make from their account, they would not be making YouTube videos, especially selling courses, for sure, because it's a lot of time and effort creating these courses and everything, right? Why would they do it? Because they make a lot more money that way than doing trading. Think of it. I mean, if you scale it and if you have $1 million account, you will make more. If what they say is true, what they say is true, they'll make way more money from trading $1 million account and making those profits that they make from day trading. YouTube can never give that returns, and making videos every day, it's not worthwhile, right? Why would they do that, right? So YouTube is the main income. If they make this crazy profit, like for example, they make 2-3% on $1 million account, that's like $20,000, $30,000 a day. You can have how many ever subscribers you want. YouTube is not going to give you that kind of revenue. So why would they make YouTube videos if they get that much money? They don't. So you will see this people like, how to create, grow a small account and grow it from $1,000 to $5,000. Why do they do it? They just do it because most of the people who are invested have only $1,000 or $5,000 in their account. So they'll make it look like, yeah. And if you look, all of them, they always trade with accounts under like $50,000, $20,000. Most of them under $100,000, especially day traders. Why? That is the revenue they get from YouTube. So they have to keep it under when they blow their trading account. Yeah, many of them show live trades, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But almost none show their, especially they don't keep it as like an attachable download, their account statement. Why? Because if you see that, you'll see them depositing money back to the account to make it look good, and they don't make the profit that they say they make. And that's what. So selectively you can show random trades, right? I mean, it can be profitable, and when they make a loss on a live stream, they can say, this is an education opportunity for you guys. So I'm being so truthful. I'm showing you the losses that they make, blah, blah, blah. End of the day, end of the month, they'll still show you a positive account, and they won't show you the statement for that month. Ask them to give you the statement for the month and make it a downloadable file. Then you will know that they are transferring money to the account. Yeah, you can get lucky, and they might be making money a few months, but if you see consistently the statements for 12 months, for sure they'll be making losses. That's out of my chest. I said all that because one of my closest friends subscribed to one of these gurus on the internet, and I think he only had like some $2,000 in his account, and well, he lost almost all of it. Where anyone who was invested in this account, I mean, market would have gained money. So please don't day trade. That's all I had for today. Thank you guys. Stay safe and stay awesome. Bye.